This month, I have shared stories, proverbs, memories, language, and culture. But it all comes down to one truth. I am Yoruba, Omo Yoruba ni mi, a people of rhythm and wisdom, of respect, creativity, and grace. We greet with honor and we eat with joy. And we teach with proverbs that outlive us. Our language carries music. Our names carry meaning. Our culture carries pride that no time or distance can erase. Being Yoruba means standing tall in who you are, wherever you are. Whether in Ibadan, in Lagos, or in London or Portsmouth, we carry home inside us. This Black History Month, I celebrate the power of knowing your roots, the beauty of preserving our language, and the pride of saying, Omo Yoruba ni mi. Because when we remember who we are, we honor those who came before us, and we inspire those that are coming after us. Say it with me, Omo Yoruba ni mi, Omo Yoruba ni mi. Thank you for celebrating this month with me. Ẹ ṣé gan ni o, ó dàbọ̀.